Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow, Service Mapping, and Discovery. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow, Service Mapping, and Discovery is: in a scenario where ServiceNow Discovery encounters issues with discovering devices due to firewall restrictions, what steps would you take to address the issue? Your answer should be: to address firewall related issues in ServiceNow Discovery, you might consider: first point, ensuring that the necessary ports are open for communication between the MID servers and target devices. Second point is verifying firewall rules to allow traffic between the MID servers and devices. Third point is coordinating with network administrators to review and adjust firewall settings. Fourth and last point is testing connectivity manually to confirm that devices can be reached from the MID servers. Our next interview question based on service mapping and discovery is: explain the role of MID server probes in ServiceNow Discovery and how do they facilitate the data collection process. Your answer should be: MID server probes in ServiceNow Discovery facilitate the data collection processes by executing data collection scripts on the MID server. These scripts, known as probes, are responsible for gathering information from target devices using various protocols such as SNMP, WMI, or SSH. The MID server then communicates with the ServiceNow instance to update the CMDB with the collected information. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow Service Mapping and Discovery is: how does ServiceNow Discovery handle the discovery of mainframes or other legacy systems in the IT infrastructure? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: ServiceNow Discovery handles the discovery of mainframes and legacy systems by employing specialized probes and sensors designed for these environments. These probes are tailored to communicate with mainframe systems and collect relevant information about hardware, software, and configurations. The collected data is then processed and incorporated into the overall mapping and discovery process. Our next interview question based on service mapping and discovery is: what are the key considerations for ServiceNow Discovery in a highly dynamic IT environment with frequent changes to configurations and assets? Your answer should be: in a highly dynamic environment, key considerations for ServiceNow Discovery include: first point, configuring frequent discovery schedules to capture changes promptly. Second point, utilizing on-demand discoveries for immediate updates in response to changes. Third point, regularly reviewing and updating patterns and sensors to adapt to changes in technology. Fourth point, implementing robust identification and reconciliation rules to handle dynamic data accurately. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current, valid, and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.